Hello, my name is Andrew Abraham, and I'm coming to you from a website called Trend Following Mentor. I am a professional trader, as well as a commodity trading advisor, as well as an author of an upcoming book called The Bible of Trend Following. I want to talk about Ed Seykota and the Trading Tribe. And actually, I wanted to review his book that I just went through. It's on Amazon. And this is a picture of it called The Trading Tribe. A little bit expensive, $219, but you have to think about trading mistakes are going to cost you a lot more than $219. Ed Seykota is a trading legend. He has been around for decades. He had worked with Commodities Corp, and he's been told that he actually returned 15,000%. That's 15,000, and it's a tremendous amount of money. It isn't that Ed Seykota had a magical trading system or insight that none of us have. But what Ed Seykota has is a way to think. One of my mentors learned under Ed Seykota and taught me how to think in terms of trades, as well as David Drews, who wrote the foreword of my book, The Bible of Trend Following. You can see David Drews. David Drews learned under Ed Seykota. But going back to Ed Seykota, what he basically, there's many issues, but what I gleaned from it and gleaned from my mentors is accepting the risk of trading. What does that really mean? Every trade is 50-50. What it really means is before you put on a trade, you have to know what it's going to cost you to see if it's going to work. And you have to understand that the trade does not have to work. Ed made a lot of money because he took big risks. He took a big risk per trade. And what you have to do is come to terms with what you're comfortable doing and what is your comfort level as far as risk and reward. And it really only boils down to a risk per trade, how much you're willing to risk per sector, how much you're willing to risk total on your equity. And there is no one that can answer that except you. His actual entries and exits are not magical. But what's magical is the way to think. What's magical is after you have, and I will promise you this will happen if you trade as long as I've traded 18 years, you'll have times where you have 8, 10, maybe even more trades in a row that don't work. But you have to have the wherewithal and the fortitude to put on that next trade. This is what is successful trading and being part of the trading tribe. And the trading tribe really is a very small, select group of traders that have survived over the years and that are consistent. Most traders fail. 90% or more fail. What you need to do is really stop looking and searching for the holy grail indicators or systems and really delve into yourself. Think about how you feel when you put on a trade. You have to believe that the next winning trade is ahead of you. And if it isn't, if that trade doesn't work, you have to put on the next trade and keep on going and keep on going. This is what successful trend following is. It isn't that it's easy. Trend following is really tough. The fact is, most trades don't work. And that's why most people can't trend follow, even though, to me, it's a lifetime strategy. There's no other strategy out there that is, let's say, transparent and as liquid as trend following. So I suggest read. You can pick up this book. It's on Amazon. That's where I'm looking at, called The Trading Tribe by Ed Seykota. It's a great book. And even more so, or not even more so, I don't know if my book, stands up to his because he's a guru classic, but pick up my book, The Bible of Trend Following. And in my book, I detail exactly how I trade. I give you my whole trading plan, and you'll learn a lot of things. Again, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor, and I'm here to teach you and help you and learn how to trend follow. Thank you very much.